What makes a foreign man for you a good catch?
Someone who is good at dressing and, of course, handsome.
What is handsome to you? What do you mean by handsome?
For external, of course, someone like him.
Someone like my husband. Someone she said so.
Yeah, but
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm January. I'm 23.
In your opinion, do you think some foreigners look for partners in the wrong places like bars or dating apps?
I mean, I have seen so many videos on TikTok or on Facebook that many foreigners actually date or find someone in places like bars or yeah, and I think it's it's not it's not that ano a wrong place, but it really depends on the people.
Do you think foreigners are being tricked by Filipinas or are they just taking advantage of poor Filipinas?
I mean, there there are times maybe that foreigners are being tricked by those persons that are just went for money, and foreigners on the other hand is I not to be but for I from what I have seen, I think some of the foreigners too are taking advantage of poor Filipinas pa.
Now, what makes a foreign man a good catch in the eyes of a local woman?
Of course, it's the face. Foreigners are attractive and they have a really good features.
How about you? How about you? I want to know about you. What makes a foreign man for you a good catch?
Mm, someone who is good at dressing, yeah, and of course, mm, handsome. Yeah.
Okay, when you say good at dressing, what kind of like formal attire? What kind of
The casual one, but it's the one that looks good in him. Yeah.
what is handsome to you? What do you mean by handsome?
For external, of course, someone like him.
Someone like my husband. Someone she said so.
Yeah, but wait lang.
Okay, I'll take that as a compliment for my husband. Okay, well, thank you. Okay, now how about this one? Okay, what is the fastest way a foreigner can lose the respect of a good Filipina?
um, by uh,
The fastest way a foreigner can lose the respect of a good Filipina.
a physical, what do you call it? When a foreigner hurts physically a woman.
Okay. That's a red flag.
Yeah, I really read that.
What is one piece of harsh truth foreign men need to hear about dating in the Philippines?
Harsh truth. I think it 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 is that some of Filipinas or women in the Philippines are into just into money. Yeah.
Now, if a foreigner hasn't found a good Filipina yet, what should he change about himself first?
Um, I think nothing, but just be genuine, I guess.
If a foreigner attends church while visiting the Philippines, do you think it's an appropriate place to meet a potential partner?
In a church, I mean, yes,
Mm-hmm.
it could be a sign that that foreigner is um uh he
Can find
can find someone who is also um
a good partner.
yeah, a good partner.
Okay. Now, how should he respectfully approach a woman from church and ask her out?
Mm, I- after the mass, and um respectfully ask for her name, and if he is she is single, and if she can go out with him. I mean, that's the the casual stuff. Yes.
Okay. How about you? Let's say you're in the church and then the foreigner saw you and then he likes you, like he wants to ask you out for maybe for dinner or for, a date. How can he approach you respectfully that you won't feel like, oh, I have to run away? This is like, like something like that.
Maybe I can entertain him when he approached me with something like, "Hey, I just saw you and I liked your outfit." Yeah, like that.
You have a very nice outfit, by the way. Very actually very. It's like a like Korean outfit, like trendy. It's very nice, very beautiful. Okay. Do you think if he really goes to church, do you think there's really a big chance that he could find a nice or a good Filipina there?
Uh, yes, probably because I mean she's attending a mass. Yeah,
So she's a good person because she's attending mass.
some I think. Yeah,
Are you still in college, by the way?
I am graduated. I just graduated last May.
Wow, that's a few months ago, right? May. Okay. So you're working now or still looking for a job?
I'm working. I just got out from work. Yeah.
What is your job if it's okay?
I am a paralegal at a law firm here at Nagan.
What is your name and how old are you?
So, hi, I am Jessa and I am 22 years old.
Jessa, in your honest opinion, do you think some foreigners look for partners in the wrong places like bars or dating apps?
In my opinion, I don't think that foreigners look for love in inappropriate places because I believe that the definition of love that someone can give to one another does not define wherever they meet.
Wow, that's amazing. So it doesn't matter.
Yes. Whether it is a club or a beach, it doesn't matter because it is the manner of the way you love each other rather than where you meet.
Are foreigners being tricked or are they just taking advantage of poor Filipinas?
I don't really believe that foreigners are taking advantage of the Filipinas because I believe that the Filipina women are showing genuine care for someone they meet, especially foreigners. And that's why maybe foreigners are, how do you call this? Foreigners are choosing Filipinas to be their long-term partner because they see how they care, how they love, and that is how the Filipina woman is very loving.
What makes a foreign man a good catch in the eyes of a local woman?
I believe the biggest misconception about looking for a foreigner partner is that they are.
No, no, sorry. Not a misconception. What makes a foreign man a good catch in the eyes of a local woman?
I believe that more than what the bank account have, it is the how the foreigners also care for the Filipino women because I believe that foreigners somehow love genuinely, and none of them are just taking advantage of Filipino women, because I can see a lot of foreigner and Filipino women couple in different social media platforms, and how I can see how they are genuine about their relationship.
How about you personally? Okay, like how do you see that? Like, what makes a foreign man a good catch for you?
In my opinion, that would be how he treat his woman, because I believe that despite how he looks, despite his race, I believe that how a foreign man treat his woman is something that I will look into, just in case.
What kind of treatment?
Maybe how he cares, how he treat that woman in just by walking in sidewalks, or maybe paying attention to what the woman is saying.
What is the fastest way a foreigner can lose the respect of a good Filipina?
Maybe if they are being arrogant, because I believe that Filipino women can be turned off easily if a certain individual is very arrogant. Filipino women loves a humble man.
What is one piece of a harsh truth foreign men need to hear about dating in the Philippines?
I think that would be Filipino women are noisy, and that is something that they should accept, because Filipino women cannot live a single day by not showing their true emotion, and that is okay. It is normal, especially that we are in the Philippines. And I guess if ever that foreigner loved the woman, it will not matter at all.
Okay. Is being loud considered noisy?
I think it depends. So, I think that if you are being loud in public places, then that can be considered as noisy. But if you are being loud in your home and no one is being disturbed, well, aside from your family, because they are used to it, it is okay.
I asked that because my husband used to say, "You're so loud." You're like, I'm very loud. Like, this is my normal voice, like very loud. So yeah. Okay. Now, if a foreigner hasn't found a good Filipina yet, what should he change about himself first?
I think that would be it is quite tough to answer that. I believe something that a foreigner could change about himself is how the way he talks to a woman, because I believe that a woman falls in love not just in foreign individuals, but also in Filipino men. They fall in love if the individual is soft spoken and know how to talk to a woman.
Do you think a lot of foreigners are soft spoken?
Actually, it depends on their country, because there are certain countries that are quite open on how to talk to women, but there are also certain men, I mean, that quite soft spoken while talking to a woman.
If a foreigner attends church while visiting the Philippines, do you think it's an appropriate place to meet a potential partner?
That's hard, but I think as long as the intention is genuine, I don't see any problem with that.
Okay. Now, how should he respectfully approach a woman from church and ask her out?
I think the proper way of asking a woman out in the church is to simply introduce himself, and the rest will depending on the answer of the woman. If the woman said yes, then he may continue talking to that woman. But if the woman said no, then that's the time where the foreigner should accept the answer and proceed on his way.
Okay, let's say there's a foreigner who really wants to have a good partner, a good Filipina. Okay, not a scammer, not someone who's after his money or anything, just someone who would love him genuinely. Where he can find that person, that Filipina, a big chance to where he could find her.
I don't believe that there is the right place to look for a woman that can genuinely love you because, as I've said a while ago, whether it is a bar, a beach, wherever a party place, as long as you can see the woman will love you genuinely, then I believe that there is no certain place to find good love.
Is still in college or you're working?
I am working.
May we know what is your job if it's okay?
I am a sales and marketing trainee as of the moment, and I handle bookings. I handle selling group packages.
Call center?
No, I am not. I am sales and a marketing trainee in a travel company based in Naga City.
That's why her English is good. But anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really do appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. She's very kind, guys. We just approached her while she's trying to shop some clothes. So thank you, babe. Very kind. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I live from